Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize LDPlayer for gaming, full guide 2026, so you can get smoother gameplay and better FPS on your PC. First, open LDPlayer and go to Settings. Inside the Performance tab, increase CPU cores and RAM allocation based on your PC. Usually, 4 CPU cores and 4 GB RAM work best for gaming. Next, open Display Settings. Set resolution to 1280 by 720 for higher performance and smoother gameplay. Lower resolution helps reduce lag and improves FPS stability. Now move to Graphics Settings. Select OpenGL mode first. If games still lag, switch to DirectX and restart LDPlayer to compare performance. After that, check virtualization. Open Task Manager and confirm virtualization is enabled. If it's disabled, enable it from BIOS because this greatly boosts emulator speed. Then open Windows Graphics Settings and set LDPlayer to high performance. So your dedicated GPU runs the emulator. Before launching games, close background apps like browsers or downloads to free system resources. Inside your game settings, lower graphics quality and disable heavy effects for better FPS. Finally, update your graphics drivers and keep LDPlayer updated for the best performance improvements. And that's it. Your LDPlayer should now run games much smoother with less lag. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more PC tutorials. Thanks for watching!